Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? So, at first, a warm welcome to you all. I am very happy to be a part of this wonderful program, and I am also very happy to welcome you all. So, without further delay, let's get started. So, today we have arranged a small event, and there are so many speakers who will deliver their speech, and our first performer is our Roshmi sister. So sister, please come to the stage and share your thoughts with us. Please give a huge round of applause for her.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
I'm very glad to be here as a part of this program, and thank you so much, Monali, for giving me this opportunity to stand before you and share my thoughts. Today, I'm here with you, and I'm going to speak on the topic that now the world is at our fingertips. So, we are living in the age of technology. The internet, mobile phones has made our life easier than ever before. Through the help of technology, we can communicate with people from different countries, we can learn new things, we can access to endless information within a few seconds. But to appreciate where we are today, we must need to learn where we was. So first, we have to look at our past. Even when in the past people want to know about distant countries, they had to depend on books, newspapers, or some travelers. And at the time, communication was very slow and deliberate. If they want to give letters to their relatives or family members, it, it took weeks after weeks to reach his destination. And at the time, the information was also limited. But now, the situation is completely different. Everything has changed. Now, no matter that where our family members or friends are, but still we can talk with them, we can communicate with them within a few taps on the screen. And the importance of technology can be seen in education also. Now, students can attend online classes. They can watch educational videos, they can know many things. Suppose they face some problems in any topic, but through the help of internet they can get an explanation video so that they are able to solve their problems. And after that, technology also help in healthcare sectors, because now doctors can attend the patients through online, and people can also get health related information through the help of technology. And in short, if I tell that technology has made education, knowledge, communication, healthcare and opportunities available at our fingertips, but we all should know that how to use technology properly, because we all know that every advantage comes with some responsibilities. So instead of wasting our time in some unnecessary things, we should learn to use technology properly so that we can create our future brighter, so that we can grow up, we can learn new things, we can make creativity. And at last, I'd like to say that the world indeed is at our fingertips, but success is not. Success still requires hard work, patience, perseverance, and continuous practice. So I'd like to tell you that always use the technology wisely so that you can improve yourself and you can get a brighter future. Thank you so much. Thank you all for listening. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you very much, sister, for sharing your thoughts and ideas with us all. Really, that was a very fantastic performance. Our next performer is Miss Pihu. So, Pihu, please come to the stage and share your thoughts with us.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I will tell you about our world. Means the whole wide world is at our fingertips. Have you ever wondered how big our world is? The most amazing thing is the world is at our fingertips. With just a click, we can see snowy mountain in our country. We listen to beautiful music from across the ocean. We can learn about the animals, stars, all without leaving our room. When people say the world is at our fingertips, they mean we have a superpower. We can contact with our family members, friends, grandparents who are far away from us. But remember, while technology is wonderful, the best way to use the technology is to learn, share, and be kind. Don't use technology badly. Use it for gaining knowledge, build your future, etc. I conclude my speech here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Your words motivated us a lot. Our Polomi, please come to the stage and share your thoughts with us.
Hello everyone, good evening. How are you all? I am also fine. Today's my speech is about now the world is
Take the
at
mic closer.
our fingertips. You all know that we are living in the age of technology. The internet and smartphones have made our life easier than ever before. We can communicate with people, learn new things, and access endless information can get in a few seconds. And we should use it wisely. It can bring knowledge, opportunities, and purpose if we use it for good purpose.
Thank you very much, Polomi. We truly appreciate your thoughts and ideas. So please give a big round of applause for her. Okay, now our next performer is Miss Shreyoshi Talukdar. So Shreyoshi, please come to the stage and share your thoughts with us. Give a big round of applause to welcome her.
Hello everyone.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Today my topic is world is at our fingertips. At first I would like to extend my heartfelt welcome to you all, and really I'm glad to be a part of this wonderful moment. So now without further delay, let's begin. Have you ever wondered how big the world is?